In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to your Wix website. Whether you're looking to showcase a personal project, business presentation, or just want to add a bit of flair to your site, embedding a video can be a great way to engage your audience. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to smoothly integrate video content into your Wix site. So let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll need to access your website editor. You'll find this option by navigating through your dashboard, where you should see a button leading you directly to your editor space. Here, all the magic happens as it's the main area for customizing your site. As you arrive at your editor, you will notice a plus sign, often labeled as Add Elements, sitting at the top left corner of your fixed editor. This is your gateway to incorporate different features and content pieces on your website. Click on this plus sign and you'll be presented with a menu showcasing various elements you can add. Among these options, look for Video and Music. Click on that and you will see another set of choices popping up. From this list, go ahead and select Single Video Players. This selection allows you to add individual video files to your site. Now here comes the fun part. We're going to choose Video Upload. This means you can upload videos directly from your computer, giving you complete control over the content you present. However, if you prefer, you also have the flexibility to select videos from platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook, Dailymotion, or even Twitch. The choice depends on where your video is currently hosted or where you prefer to source it from. For this particular tutorial, we'll stick with uploading directly from a computer for simplicity. Click on Change Video at the top of your inserted video or video player. This is where you get to pick the exact video you desire to showcase. When you do this, you'll click on Upload Media. You can either drag and drop your files into the provided space or click Upload from Computer to browse through your files. Select the specific video you want to include on your site. If you've already uploaded videos previously, you'll find them ready in your media library. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll select one that has already been uploaded and add it to the page. Once added, the video will appear directly on your website's editor screen. You'll want to ensure it fits well within your site's layout, so the next step is to preview it. Simply click Preview to see how your video looks on the actual site. And there you have it. That's how you add a video to your Wix website. Now you're ready to captivate your audience with dynamic video content.